Good morning, everyone. It's Barry the Bomb here with you today, and I'm trying to get my husky dog up off the sofa. She really don't want to get up. Come on, Xena. Let's get up. Come on. Wanna go outside? She's been doing this now for every day for a couple weeks. She just wants to stay there, lay on her back to her default position, which is the belly rub position. But she just don't want to get up. Come on, Xena, let's go. Come on, get up. Come on, let's get up. Let's go outside. Come on. Come on, let's get up. Come on. Let's go, doggy. No? Doggy. Husky doggy, what are you doing? The doggy. Xena, the husky doggy. She don't want to get up. She's going to lay there. And actually, you should be in your own sofa. Her own sofa's over here. This is her sofa. But no, she's here on my sofa, hairing it all up. Come on, let's get up. Come on. Let's go. We're going to go outside. You're not that tired. Come on. Nope, she just don't want to do it. Say hello to everybody. And I'm a stubborn little husky dog. A stubborn little husky dog. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Come on, Xena. Nope, she don't want to do it. All right, everyone. Barry the Bomb. Try to get her up. See you soon.